How to change language on settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change the language on your settings app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing the language really depends upon the mobile version that you're using and depending upon the company brand that you're using. If you're using Apple or Android, the process is a little bit different. But what I want you to do is, once you launch the settings application on your Android, just go and look for one of the options that says General Management, which could be inside any Android phone. And for iOS, you'll find the option called General. And as you do that, if you look at the very top of the screen, you'll find an option that says Language. So you can just tap on the language option. And now you can choose to add a new language or download the language by tapping on Add Language option, selecting a language that you understand from here. And once you have done that, you'll be able to add and change the language from settings. Now, in case this is a little bit complicated for you, every settings comes with a search bar. You can also just tap the search bar option and then just type in something similar to language here, and then you'll be able to see the search result. Now you can tap on it and change the language from there as well. This way you can change language on settings. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.